Yo, what is going on, guys? We are back with another auction video. The weekend is over. It is Monday, and I still need some cars. I have about, I think, 8 that are ready to go, and then about 15 that are getting cleaned up, and struts put on them, little minor things. One needs a radio and stuff like that. But welcome to my YouTube channel. Kind of skipped ahead there, but I am a used car dealer. I have 2 car dealerships, one in Arizona, one in Arkansas, for various reasons that you can see on the other video, with laws and regulation and stuff like that. So you can, we can send cars back and forth for whichever one we think would be better for each lot. But yeah, I'm going to go through our ended auctions section on our dealer-only auction website, give you guys a little, I guess, like back inside of how used car dealers buy cars. This is definitely a more modern way. Most dealers still go to the in-person auctions, which I still do, but this is all online. They give you warranties on them. I mean, it is a sick auction. But we're going to go through the ended section because I wasn't really paying attention as much this weekend. So I'm sure a lot of cars went through that you guys are going to get to see my reaction and me offer on a couple cars, because I'm sure I missed them from this weekend. So let's go check this out. Alrighty. All right, so these are 3 cars right now. We're on the live auction section. This is ACV Auctions. We're going to go to the ended section. I'm going to make sure my criteria is right. 600 miles is the max distance I want away from me. The zip code, boom, boom. And let's check these out. So if you guys don't know, I'm mostly a buy here, pay here car dealer. So basically, people with bad credit can come to me. When the banks don't lend them money, I will. That is a higher risk for me, so I tend to not buy like, low. I mean, this one's super high mileage, but like a 80,000 mile, 11 maximum. Yeah, I guess I would, but I wouldn't buy something like this. Like the person that's going to come in here in BB Arkansas is not typically going to have enough down for me to justify lending out my own money, basically like being the bank, and taking the risk when they already have a reputation of not making their payments on time. So that is like kind of what we specialize in, Caleb and I. And let's take a look at these cars. So now that I've said that, I won't be looking at any cars probably over like $5,000. For that reason, it's just too hard to get a large enough down payment to risk or manage my risk and lend out that much money. So we're going to look for some cheaper stuff. These tend to have bad transmissions. Transmission issue. All right, perfect, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Ford Fusion, I've had bad luck with those things. Infinity, I'm not going to go that route. Volkswagen, I'm looking for things that are fairly appealing, that I know are pretty reliable. I mean, I'll buy anything for the right price, but you just want the car to last as long as the note. So if they owe for 2 years, I don't want it to only last 4 months and then them call me and say, hey, I'm not making my payment anymore because it broke down. Even though it's their car, what I've found is that's just typically how it is. They think, hey, since I owe you money, I'm not going to make payments on something that doesn't run. Well, when they sign the papers, it's as is, no warranty. And I do my best to help them, like, unless it's something crazy. But you got to be careful in this business because, for example, my dad had a lady say, hey, I can't remember what it was, like the brakes were going out or something on the car, and he was like, hey, it's your job to fix it. So then they went and put something in the gas tank and blew the motor up on purpose. And then my dad felt bad, gave him money, and then the cousin let it slip that that's what they did. And so they kept the money. My dad now has a blown up car that he repoed. And so you just gotta almost assume the worst. It's a crazy business, but you just got to be careful and manage your risk very, very well, or it won't work out. So here's a really reliable Honda. I say that. Engine noise. Let's listen to it. It's red light. It's probably bad if it's red light. That's not bad. That's smooth as. So since this is red light, they won't give a warranty. So whenever you buy off this website, if it's a green light, they'll give you a 10-day guarantee. This is obviously not going to be that way. So it's what you see is what you get. that scares me. 3,500 is a pretty good price because I could get 2,000 down, lend out 1,500, and sell it for 140 on the miles. As long as I knew it was good, I'd take it home. I could probably sell that for 6,900. But by the time I got it here with shipping and the buy fee, I mean, I'm going to be in it at 4. So let's see. 119 on the miles. Frame unibody damage. Okay, these are unibody, and it's so easy to have this go off, or I guess for them to announce this, because this whole body is one piece. And if you go even over a curb right here, you go over a curb and the concrete hits it, that is considered the frame. So they're really not messed up a lot of times. Or even if you close something in the door jamb, that will be considered frame or unibody damage. It's crazy how like soft people are with these. So let's look at this one. 119 I do like. These transmissions do scare me. But with 119, that's what they're going to consider right there. That's not bad. Boom. Backup camera. What up? Let's see. I like this one a lot. Just for the scenario. So this is a new car. Or it's 13. So for buyer payer, that's fairly new car. As crazy as that sounds. Let's listen to the engine. Okay. Previous fender paintwork, codes, title absent, repo. That makes sense. Houston. So our shipping's going to be farther away if it's in Houston. It's going to be 574 away. That's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. I would offer 3,400 to be in this at like $4,000. Wouldn't be that bad, I don't think, for my situation. This will not matter to a buyer payer customer. Really won't matter to anyone in Arkansas because not a salvage title. I can explain very easy, why it is. And I know that, these cars don't have a single frame, then a body on top. They're all like one piece. And so it's very easy to, trigger this. But let's see. Backup camera is pretty cool for that. Someone will like that a lot. Let me offer 3,400. 3,400. Well, let's do 3,300 because I need the buy fee and the shipping. I'd like to get that here for around. Yeah, we'll do that, and they'll give me a phone call, and then they'll negotiate from there. That's fair. There already is a pending offer for 33. Wow, I was right on the money. 3,350. Let's go. Come on. Bang. 3,350. Boom. One offer sent. We need about 4 more to make this video complete, All right, Lexus. No. No, 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 no. F-150, 2010, $6,000. That's not that bad unless there's issues. Knocking makes sense. Those 3-valve motors are kind of booty. Let's see. Audi. Too high, way high, too cheap. 4,200. Dang, that thing looks good. Ooh, I'd rather have this than the what's it called because it doesn't have this. Dang, man. Crane. Let's go. Oh, this is local. Crane. Springdale. Let's go, Crane. Noah Crane. I think that's the kid's name. The son. All right, let's go. This body looks good. This is a good car. I like this. I like this a lot because it'll make my front line look good. Our competition is Gary's Auto Sales. I wish I could do a video about that, just showing you guys like my competition in this area. As bad as this sounds, we have like the nicer of the lots in the town, and it actually helps a lot more than you would think. The appeal, the curb appeal, makes people feel like better about buying a car, and our cars are cleaner than anybody's in town. I have a detail that's been here 20 years, and like by the time, I'm telling you, when I get done with the car, or when he gets done with it, it is like, it matches the lot, I guess you would say. Like the curb appeal plus the ultra clean cars, it helps sell them alone. But, see this motor? It'll be flawless whenever he gets done with it. But let's see what's going on with this. Excessive exhaust noise. That's how these sound a lot of times, though. Passenger window switch covered in tape on both panels. I like this car. It's going to sound crazy. Possible repair on the right rear door quarter. All right, let's see what we have going. These are very, very good motor and transmission cars. They'll go for a long time. They'll outrun the note. Hyundai's been very, very good. Let's see what these things are selling for. Yeah? Yeah? Oh, I'm excited. It's local too, so my shipping won't be much. Come on with it. Come on with it. Come on with it. 200 miles. Boom. All right. Memphis, Tennessee, 97, no price listed. Oh my gosh, guys, no price. Come on now. Let's see what we got. 57? 25? Maybe that's not a good deal. Jesus. The black's got to help it, though. I mean, I'm going to shoot an offer, but my goodness, I thought I was getting this is a deal. We ain't looking so good. We ain't looking so good. Now let's go look and see what the issues are. Oil needs to be changed for sure. Knock sensor, airbag, bang, bang. What is this? Oh, that sticker? Why is that sticker over the... What the heck? All right. What in the heck? Is it because they had a child in this passenger seat? What is that about? All right, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine. That's weird. A little Hello Kitty in the window, huh? Dirty, dirty, super dirty. But the black, man, I think this would do well. Man, I know I could price this at $69.99. I know I could. It would work here. For the situation, boom, boom, bang, 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 bang. Not bad at all. I mean, that is a... I don't know what the stickers are about, but we going for it. All right, offer for $3,600. That's a low ball for sure. We'll see what happens. The shipping's not far, so we gotta. I mean, this thing's. Ooh, offer pending. Let's go. So we have two now. That's a good one. It says make an offer, but it'll update. Okay. 217, too many miles. Suburban. Now, this is going to be a red light over 200K miles, but people love this stuff. Is this a straight body? I'd love to have this, to be honest. Long body, long Johnny. Wheels and tires, that might help sell it, might not. Leather's going to help it. Boom, black leather. Man, this might do. Z71, let's go. Come on, what's wrong with this? Internal engine noise. All right, let's look at that first before we go too far. What the heck? Jesus, what happened to that thing? Good Lord. We're not going after that one. She's chugging. She's barely running. We ain't going that route, okay? Let me tell you, that's a good little truck, though, to do. That is, too. That thing sells. Whoa, was this a Duramax? What? That's a good deal, man. Am I stupid? It's Duramax emblem on the side. It is. Oh. Four-wheel drive low? I mean, hey, screw it. Salvage title. Okay, I was about to say that is a good deal. But it's salvage title. But I mean, if you're using it strictly for business, those motors are really good and popular. That's why I was saying that. Keep going. Honda Accord. Never mind. I don't even want to put that much effort into. The front bumper needs to be painted. On and 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 on. Kia Spectra. Got two of them already. Ooh, Civic. Sold. 5,500. Too much. Don't want to give that. 6,000. 3-valve. Like I was talking about earlier. Don't want to do that. That was a good deal. 39.50, 60K miles. Oh my God. That is what I get for not looking that hard. Four-wheel drive too. Oh my God. That's what I get for not staying on it this weekend. One day costing me, I mean, at 60-something thousand miles, people will pay 69,000 miles. The V8 four-wheel drive, 2,000. I know it's Dodge Dakota. They're not like the craziest, but it's a full four-door truck 4-wheel drive with 69,000 miles. That's a $3,000 profit. That cost me $3,000. One day of not looking. That's what happens when you try and take off a day. One day, and that's what happens. I've already got 2 of these on the way. Nissan Altimas. I don't really need another one. This is a green light, though. It is a green light. League City, Texas. Boom, boom, bang, bang. Pontiac Grand Prix, huh? One of those 1,000 down bad boys. Green light. Fayetteville. Coming hot, coming hot, coming hot. Arkansas. Shipping's not gonna be. Oh, no way, dude. Do you want 1,800? You got a taped up window. The residue is gonna be a pain to get off, and then the sunroof. Don't even come at me like that. $600 max. That sucks. All right, Trailblazer. These aren't the most reliable. This one kind of looks good. Engine problem. Camshaft issue. Well, first off, these aren't reliable. But if you can get them cheap enough and if they're clean enough, I mean, you can sell them. No, they're just like if I'm doing a finance deal on that. I just expect for the person to call me every like 3 months and go, hey, man, like, will you fix this? Because that's going to happen with those. But people finance them. I mean, golly, they're always in the repo section at this local auction. Always. I'm like, y'all ain't learned your lesson yet? Let's see. It's really probably about it right now. Ooh, 3575, 21. This has to have an issue. Transmission issue. It do. All right. What about this CRV? 199, right in that green light. We're not doing it. Unbalanced engine. No way, Jose. Chevy Camaro. Equinox. Yeah, so I guess that is just it. I don't know what else to bid on. I don't know how long I want to run this video up, but yeah, that is it. I made, I think, 2 or 3 offers. This is what we do every single day of the week. Yeah, so I guess that's just it. This is what we do every single day. If you guys, I froze up. This is what we do every single day of the week. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please, it would mean a ton to me. Comment down below what video you'd like to see next. Like, smash the like button, follow me on Instagram. Do whatever you do. It helps the algorithm, helps me, stay consistent and want to keep filming these videos. It's very easy for me to film these videos before work. 4 minutes till I open at the BB car lot. I'll be moving back to Arizona soon for a good bit, and then going back and forth. We're going to be hiring someone here. If you need a job and you're local, comment down below. Hey, hire me. And I'll be like, okay. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.